This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by TidalHealth.
Taking care of your health doesn't always have to mean a doctor's office visit. Sometimes it can look more like a morning out with the family.
And coming up next month, TidalHealth is bringing together screenings, education, and even a little fun all under one roof for HealthFest 2026. It's a free event designed to make wellness more accessible to everyone across Delmarva.
And here to tell us what you can expect is Kat Rodgers, Director of the Community Health Initiatives at TidalHealth. Welcome.
Welcome.
So tell us a little bit about HealthFest, and you're actually moving it this year to Ocean City?
Yeah, so now we're one larger health system with TidalHealth Atlantic. So we're doing a combined HealthFest this year at the Ocean City Convention Center.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And you've been doing HealthFest for decades, really.
Yes, yes.
So what can folks expect at the bigger, better one?
Well, they'll get the same sort of opportunity to talk with healthcare professionals and clinicians about a number of different things and find out about the new services that we have. They will also be able to still do certain blood work, get certain screenings done, and it is really for everyone.
When you say everyone, all ages, right? All different age groups?
Yes. Now this year it is during the week in the morning, April 15th, 9 to noon. But we know that there are some families who homeschool their kids. There's some grandparents that have children. So we will have some activities for youth, some face painting and games to play, but for the young and the young at heart.
Now, you mentioned health screenings, and there are hundreds of health screenings. Which ones will be at HealthFest this year?
Well, there's so many. I don't want to miss any, but I always like to highlight that people can find out if they're at risk for certain things. So they can find out if they're at risk for stroke. They can find out if they're at risk for diabetes. Most people don't even know that they have pre-diabetes, so we'll do a risk assessment. They'll get blood work, and they'll find out basically what their blood sugars were for the last several months.
Wow.
So one of the nice things about this is you've got a lot of different, or access to a lot of different types or different areas of the medical field?
Yeah, and you'll be able to talk to pharmacists, physical therapists, cardiology. There'll be lots of different types of healthcare professionals. There'll also be people from the community, partners who offer other services, like the Worcester County Parks and Rec, for example, or MAC, the Area Agency on Aging.
Okay, so people can actually connect with healthcare providers one-on-one during HealthFest?
Yeah, it's. I see it as an opportunity to learn, and it's actionable because you'll be able to have tools and resources that you can actually use to live a healthier lifestyle. And I'd also like to mention that we're partnering with AARP this year too, so they're going to have volunteers, and so that's a new part of this year too.
Wow, covers all the bases, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, here are the event details for HealthFest. It's the 15th, you said?
Yep, April 15th, and it is free. So you just walk in and peruse, and it's from 9 to noon at the Ocean City Convention Center.
All right, and there you go. If you want more information, we'll have it on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. And of course, as you said, lots of fun stuff for the kids. So it is really for everyone.
It's for everyone.
Kids of all ages.
Thank you so much, Kat Rodgers from TidalHealth.